Hey Paul, what's that plant?
Well, this grass, this bamboo is Phyllostachys nigra, or black bamboo. So it's a running bamboo since it's a Phyllostachys. But what's cool about it is, as you can see, that it is black. It's a beautiful black. But the new stalks, if you look over here, the first year, this one's from last year, for example, you can see it comes up green. So it'll come up green, slowly get kind of a speckled with black after about a year, 18 months, as you can see. And it is a runner, so if you try to put this in a container, I've heard of stories where the bamboo actually break the pot or the container. So it definitely needs a lot of space here. This time of year, it's what, February, you can see the frost, or it kind of burns the leaves back a little bit. And this bamboo likes to drop its leaves about now, so it's a little bit kind of looks a little ugly, I guess you could say, this time of year. But by March or April, you'll see it just drops a bunch of leaves and it will come back and look beautiful. So this runner is about 7 years old, I'd say. They say this bamboo can grow 20 to 35 feet, but there's no way. I mean, not in Southern California, as you can see. This plant here is the highest I've ever had, is maybe a 15-footer. But you can see it's just beautiful. So if you have a nice big area, this Phyllostachys black bamboo is just a great plant. You can just trim it back if it gets out of a spot, or you could do a bamboo barrier if you wanted to contain it. What else? Hardy to like 5 degrees or something, so it's pretty much impossible to kill. You do want to fertilize it. I fertilize this thing twice a year with just basic lawn fertilizer, triple 15, and it does awesome. Has quite a few drippers. It does like its water. However, if you kind of don't give it too much water, it will still kind of lose a lot of leaves, but still survive. But over time, you'll see some of them start to die from the tops back, so I trim it out periodically. A couple bird nests in this plant, but this Phyllostachys black bamboo is awesome. I mean, you can see it's just wants to take over. So as long as your soil's kind of soft, this is a great plant for you. If you have really hard soil, you definitely want to loosen up really well, because this plant can't really run in hard soil. So hope you like this plant. It's awesome, as you can see, and give us a like, a subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. Bam! Boo! Black bamboo. Comes up green.